In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add auto caption in Filmora 15. If you have found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Because I have already opened Filmora 15 on my MacBook, then I need to click on Import because I need to add a video first. For example, I add this video, drag and drop on timeline. Then first select track which one you want to add subtitle. Then going to text. Then AI caption, AI text, you can tap AI caption. Then select your language. My video is English language. I choose English US. Then translate to which language you want to translate. For example, I want to translate Bangla, Hindi, Spanish, Italian, lots of language, but I need on English subtitle. Then output, this detects speakers, auto match, then click on generate. That's it. Now after few seconds it automatically adds to my video. For example, if I playing this video right now, in today's video I'm going to show you can see this subtitle already added to my video. Now I able to customize this subtitle. This is a method how can add subtitle to your video on Filmora 15. Thanks for watching. See you again.